The Output Job Manager lets you assemble all the output tasks into a reusable profile and generate the complete set with a single command. Rather than running Gerber, pick and place, and bomb exports individually, you configure them once and rerun the same profile for every revision of the design. To get started, create a new profile and give it a name that describes its purpose. A profile stores every setting: tasks, folder paths, file names, and pre-production options. The folder field uses field codes in double braces that are resolved at generation time, so the output path adapts automatically to each project. Below that, the options row controls board scope, pre-production checking, zone regeneration, and whether a log and manifest file are produced alongside the outputs. Each task corresponds to a specific output format. The drop-down includes Gerber, pick and place, BOM, image, schematic PDF, and 3D MCAD, among others. Select the task your process requires and add them to the profile. The track list executes in order from top to bottom. Each task has its own file stem, subfolder and configuration dialog, the same dialog used for standalone output. Settings made here are stored inside the profile and applied automatically each time the job runs. When you click Generate, the manager runs any pre-production checks and zone regeneration according to the profile options, then executes each task in turn. The log records the results of every step. The output folder contains a clean set of files organized by task. When the next revision is ready, simply run the same profile again. The field codes ensures each run produces output in the correct location without any manual path changes.